Avery always knew she was different from others. She had the power to talk to animals, and she had been aware of it since she was a child. It was a gift she had kept to herself, unsure of how to explain it to others. She had always found comfort in the company of animals and had always felt a strong connection with nature. But one day, everything changed. As Avery walked through the forest, she began to hear whispers in her mind. She thought it was just her imagination, but the whispers grew louder and clearer. She soon realized that she could hear the thoughts of the plants. It was overwhelming at first, but she quickly adapted to this new ability. She could sense the trees communicating with each other and the flowers whispering secrets to the bees. She was fascinated by this new gift, but she also sensed a deep sadness among the plants. They were dying, and no one seemed to be able to help them. Avery knew she had to do something. She began to talk to the animals, asking for their help. She explained the situation to them and asked if they had seen anything that could be causing the plants to die. The animals were hesitant at first, but they eventually began to open up to her. They told her stories of strange machines that had been digging into the ground and polluting the air with their exhaust. They told her of humans cutting down trees and leaving nothing but stumps behind. Avery knew what she had to do. She had to find the source of this destruction and put a stop to it. She talked to the plants, asking them to guide her to the source of the problem. She could sense their pain and felt an overwhelming sense of responsibility to help them. She walked through the forest, following the guidance of the plants. It was a long and arduous journey, but she was determined to save the forest. Finally, Avery arrived at a clearing. There, she saw a group of humans operating large machines, cutting down trees and digging into the ground. The machines were spewing out thick black smoke, polluting the air and suffocating the plants. Avery was enraged. She stormed over to the humans and demanded that they stop what they were doing. The humans were startled by Avery's sudden appearance, but they quickly regained their composure. They told her that they were just doing their job, that they were logging the forest to make way for new development. Avery was outraged. She explained to them the damage they were causing, and how their actions were leading to the death of the forest. At first, the humans were dismissive of Avery's concerns, but she refused to back down. She used her gift to communicate with the plants, allowing them to share their pain and suffering with the humans. Slowly but surely, the humans began to realize the gravity of their actions. They stopped their machines and listened to Avery's plea for help. Together, Avery and the humans came up with a plan to save the forest. They agreed to halt all development and to work together to restore the forest to its former glory. Avery continued to talk to the animals and plants, working tirelessly to ensure that the forest was protected and nurtured. Years passed, and the forest flourished once again. The trees stood tall and proud, and the flowers bloomed with renewed vigor. Avery had become known as the Green Messenger, a hero to both animals and humans alike. She had proven that with compassion and determination, anything was possible. The forest was now a symbol of hope, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there was always a way to make things right.